All right, let's dive into an absolute nightmare scenario for literally anyone who does their own wrenching. You know the feeling? We're going to break down exactly how a brilliantly clever, incredibly cheap piece of engineering completely saves the day. Welcome to today's Explainer, where a moment of sheer garage floor panic turns into a really fascinating lesson in mechanical problem solving. So picture this. You're under your car, you're just tightening up the oil drain plug after a totally routine fluid change, and then you feel it. That sickening, sudden slip of the wrench, the bolt just spins. It's not getting tighter. Your stomach totally drops, right? You're lying there staring at the ceiling of your garage, wondering if you just ruined your entire engine or, at the very least, just bought yourself a massive repair bill for a whole new oil pan.
And this perfectly illustrates the exact problem we're dealing with. Sure, you see the oil dripping, but zero in on that little curly ribbon of metal hanging out of the drain hole. Yeah, that is the ghost of your oil pan's threads. Seeing that little metal coil means the internal threads of the pan are completely shorn off. They're destroyed. There is literally nothing left for a standard bolt to grab onto, which means that oil is just going to keep dripping endlessly.
Now, normally, the traditional fix for this is a huge headache. You're talking about towing the car to a mechanic, dropping the subframe, and spending hundreds, maybe even over $1,000 just to replace the entire pan. But before you go calling that tow truck, let me show you the ultimate budget-friendly rescue. We've got a hero in this story, and get this, it doesn't cost hundreds of dollars. It costs about $6.
Enter the Dorman 65217 oversized oil drain plug. $6. And this isn't just some generic hardware store bolt you'd find in a bin. It is highly specialized equipment engineered to fix this exact disaster. Notice the specific sizing there, M14-1.50 oversize. That word oversize is the absolute secret sauce to the magic here.
If we compare the hardware side by side, the secret becomes pretty obvious. You've got the original standard drain plug on top and our oversized hero right below it. At first glance, sure, they look kind of similar, but look closer at that oversized plug. It has a slightly larger diameter, but way more importantly, it features this really unique vertically notched thread design right near the tip.
That means this new part isn't just a simple plug meant to block a hole, it's actually a tool. That little notch creates what we call a self-tapping thread. Since your old threads are completely stripped away, this specialized fastener is literally designed to carve brand new metal pathways right into the soft aluminum of your oil pan as you drive it in. It doesn't just plug the hole, it remakes the hole.
But hold on, you definitely cannot just jam this thing in there. Looking at that damaged, empty hole, we realize we have to be incredibly careful. Think about it. We're about to force harder metal into the older, softer aluminum of the pan. We're essentially cutting new grooves into the engine block, so there's a strict, non-negotiable method we have to follow to avoid cracking the surrounding metal and making things exponentially worse. So the operation begins with absolute precision. You start by keeping the bolt 100% perfectly straight. You want to use a socket wrench so the pressure is distributed evenly, and then you just slowly begin applying pressure, turning that oversized plug into the stripped void. Alignment is everything here. If you go in at an angle, you're going to cut crooked threads, and guess what? It will never seal.
Okay, here are the absolute highest stakes of this entire explainer. Listen up, because this is where the magic actually happens. You cannot just crank this bolt all the way in like you're driving a deck screw. No way. You absolutely must follow the golden rule of tapping new threads. One turn in, half turn out. Let me say that again. One turn clockwise to cut, then counterclockwise a half rotation.
Why is that so absolutely crucial? Well, let's think back to that vertical notch on the bolt. As this thread carves its way into the aluminum, it generates metal shavings. That's the material it has to remove to make the new grooves, right? If you just keep twisting, those shavings build up, bind the bolt, and the outward pressure can literally crack your oil pan in half. By backing it out that half turn, you use the notch to safely catch and break those metal shavings off. It clears the pathway.
And you can actually see the physical proof of this process. When you completely back the bolt out after topping those first few threads, it's going to come out covered in these glittery, dangerous metal shavings. Just look at that golden metallic paste stuck in the threads. That right there is the aluminum from your oil pan that you've just successfully excavated to create your brand new seal.
Now, we absolutely cannot let a single piece of those shavings get pushed inside the engine. I mean, loose metal inside an engine is basically a death sentence for moving parts. So every single time you back that bolt out, you have to aggressively blast it with brake parts cleaner. That high-pressure spray is going to wash away every microscopic piece of metal debris.
So you're just repeating this meticulous process. One turn in, half turn out, remove it, spray it, clean it.
You keep doing that until the bolt eventually seats perfectly flush against the pan. When you pull it out for that final cleaning, it should look entirely free of debris, just sparkling and perfectly clean. That's your signal that the cutting is done and those new threads are smooth and ready to go.
All right, once those new threads are fully cut and you flush the hole completely to make sure zero metal flakes are left behind, the hard work is over. You can finally drive the completely clean bolt in for good. You tighten it down snugly, letting the built-in gasket on that oversized plug press firmly against the pan, creating a totally custom-cut brand new seal.
With the new threads actively doing their job and holding strong, the suspense is finally over. You can climb out from under the car, pop the hood, and confidently pour your fresh engine oil right back into the motor. Honestly, the anxiety of a ruined engine block just washes away with every single quart you pour in.
And man, just look at this beautiful sight. Right below that bright blue oil filter, there is our $6 oversized plug, seated perfectly against the metal. It's a completely dry, pristine, leak-free seal. Not a single drop of oil is escaping, and it's all thanks to those freshly cut threads grabbing firmly onto the pan. Disaster totally averted.
The most important takeaway from what we've explored today is really simple. Panic is incredibly expensive. If you didn't know this part existed, you'd be out hundreds of dollars at a repair shop right now. But by understanding exactly how specialized hardware works, by knowing how to properly tap new threads using patience and that one turn in, half turn out rule, you just saved a massive amount of money and a ton of time.
It really makes you step back and wonder, doesn't it? We just fixed a major mechanical failure with $6 and a little bit of know-how. So the next time you face a seemingly catastrophic issue, take a breath. Is there a simple, cleverly engineered marvel out there just waiting to save the day? Keep that curiosity alive, keep figuring out how things work, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.